In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable TPM 2.0 in Windows 10. This video is intended for users who are not able to upgrade to Windows 11 because their PC is not currently enabled with TPM 20, or their PC is capable of running TPM 2.0 but is not set up to do so. To start, tap on the search bar at the bottom left of your computer and search for PC Health Check. Just click that one. In here, you will see the word Introducing Windows 11. Click on Check Now. It's going to check if your computer is eligible for Windows 11. And it says here that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. So to enable TPM 2.0, go to the bottom left and click on Start. Click on Settings. Tap Update and Security. Once here, click Recovery. And click for Restart Now under the Advanced Startup. Once done starting, this option will come out and all you need to do is go and click Troubleshoot and select this option. In here, you have to click the Restart. Now, go back to your PC and select Settings, and then you want to press the End key and select Security. Under the security, you can see the administrator password option and select Trusted Computing. And you will see the security device support. It says here that it is disabled. So to enable it, just tap Enter and this will show up, and then go ahead and select Enable. So to save the changes you've made, you just have to go back again into Security Settings and choose Save and Exit. And then confirm the changes you've made by clicking Yes. And now my PC is going to reboot. To check your work after rebooting, just go ahead and search for the PC Health at a glance. And if you're going to check this now, it says here that this PC meets Windows 11 requirements. And you're done. So please, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.